Hello everybody, it's JC from Worldwide RV at 4660 East Main. I am here today to show you the 2023 Jayco Seneca 37K. This is a beautiful full body paint Super C. Comes with a 6.7 diesel on the Allison transmission with a Freightliner frame. What I really want to do is focus on what makes this such a phenomenal unit. There's a lot of Super Cs out there. I believe that the Seneca truly is the nicest one for the value, and we're going to give you a little bit of an idea why. Excuse me. So, start off, obviously, you have the full body paint. A lot of people choose the Super Cs over a C class and even an A. Number one, because of the drive. Drives like a truck, not a bus. Number two is storage. The storage on this thing is literally unbelievable. That Freightliner frame chassis goes all the way through. You do have 24-hour service from Freightliner on this. As you can see, you have pass-through all the way down and plenty of storage available. Obviously, it's carpeted in, so you can keep everything that you want to do there. Obviously, big propane tanks. Again, now you have a rubber storage, so you can put some things in there that may not be the neatest, going all the way through. As you come around to the back, take a look right here. The Seneca has both a front and back rear cap, so you don't have a seal on the outside, again, letting that water permeate through. You have the frameless windows, and as always, you have the side and rear view cameras built in as well. Now, one of the nice things, you have a full hitch system here, which will tow up to 10,000 pounds. Again, it's a walkable roof. You have the ladder coming through here, and then as you come around, big 8,000 Onan generator, which is plenty of power to pull everything that you need as you're going through. Again, this is a self-sufficient machine, you guys. As you come in, this is your water system, and one of the nice things is right here. This is a macerator, and what this does is it's actually going to go through, and if you're, let's say you're parked below where your dump station is, this will draw that up and get it where you need it to go. Again, keeping you clean and neat. This does have the full-time water heater, so you have water all the way through. And again, your water station is here, so it gives a full explanation of how to use everything on the coach. Now, we were talking about storage. One of the nice things is that pass-through gives you storage all the way through. Now what we're going to do is go through the inside. You are sitting on 22.5-inch rims. This is a big unit, you guys. Plenty of power, plenty of room, but let's take a look at the inside. We go inside, two last things I want to pay attention to. Obviously, you have your outside entertainment system with your full awning going over this entire area. And again, your power steps are going to lead you right in. Go ahead and go inside, and I'm going to follow you in. So as you can see, the beauty of this unit is just as nice as anything else that you can find. Jayco really does their best to ensure both safety, cleanliness, and overall livability. Your bunk system actually will hold 750 pounds. You have the window with the power awning down, or power blind, excuse me. This comes up, and as you can see, you have these beautiful display area where you have complete control. Auto leveling is right here. Right behind us, this is your command system for the entire coach. So I can go in, I can adjust my lights, I can go to my home screen. Everything is accordingly, both my slides, my air conditioner, everything controlled right there. As you look through, LED lighting throughout. One of the things that Jayco is really known for is we do not use particle board or OSB at all. So everything that you see is actually plywood. We make it in our Jayco factory and design it for these coaches. Oh, also, as you can see, here's your power slide for your blind, excuse me. And then here you can have a net which will drop down and make this a total storage area. You also have your ladder, which will come up as well. Now, take a look at even the hinges of how this thing is made. Those are the same thing you'll see in your residential areas. You can see the depth of how big this is, because storage is important. Most people are using Super Cs for either full-time or very long trips. This is going to give you that complete overall ambiance of being at home. As you come into the countertop, you have solid surface. Again, these are removable. You have your counter here. I can spray you if I need to. And again, look at the depth. So you can fit full dinner plates here. You have both day and night blackout shades. And of course, you have the Furrion full-size convection oven microwave and induction cooktop. Again, everything is made to make it simple, easy, and take through. As always, our drawers are on roller blades. This will rollers. These will hold 75 pounds each. So again, you guys, you can store what you need to store. This obviously is the table, which will drop down, counter, and it gives you a full, nice dinette area. Now, one of the big perks to Jayco, obviously, is in our sectional, but you have seat belts for each seat. These are power recliners. So just imagine if you're chilling out with the family, you just want to go and relax. Now you can do it. And every one of these is available to you. The nicest part about this unit we're going to get to, because this is a bath and a half system. So if you're traveling down the road, you have plenty of room, even with the slide in, you're going to have it where you can move throughout the entire unit. Obviously, here you have a residential refrigerator. Your lock system is built right here so you can keep it. But take a look at how big this refrigerator and freezer really is. Again, storage, 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 and storage. Two 15,000 BTU air conditioners, so it's going to keep it nice and cool throughout wherever you are. Obviously, your entertainment center with your sound bar, and you have your fireplace. And then under here, obviously you have your cable systems. You can put a DVD player here. And then your fireplace will be able to heat this whole unit without actually going to your heater. Now, the first bathroom, take a look here. As you can see, you have the lit sinks, huge medicine cabinet, and again, the porcelain toilet. Now, this is a half bath, so you can come in, and so you're not really traveling through to go into the bathroom itself. So if you have friends over, remember, this becomes your home, so your bedroom is separate from your actual living area. How you separate that is simple. Here, sliding door. So now somebody can be in the living area, or somebody can be in the bedroom area, and you keep it accordingly. As you can see, one of the nice things that Jayco's done is they give you that bed that lifts up, so you can watch TV in here without having to go in, and it's a nice size TV with like a 42 inch. Look here. This is the one thing I want to show you, come on in, of how deep your closet space is. Full hanging. Obviously, we have some of the storage. That's the net for up above. And then here, already comes with a stackable washer dryer. What makes that so nice, you guys, a lot of the units are coming with combo. A combo simply won't put up with overall use on a regular basis to keep your clothes dry. This is going to allow you to do that, and it's already built in, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, as you come in here, probably the nicest part is how big this bathroom is, okay? The shower, as always, has the platinum pedestal, skylight, and as you can see, now I'm short, I'm 5'8", but you could be 6'4" and easily stand in here. Full body shower with the controls and obviously the glass. Porcelain toilet again, as always, but look here at how big the medicine cabinet is, and of course, the storage. And again, look at the hinges. This is actual wood. Nothing is shortcutted with Jayco. We do have the quiet helix system. So again, notice how quiet it is, and the air conditioner is on. So as you're looking around and you're trying to figure out what's the best unit for you, again, the 2023 Jayco 37K is probably one of the nicest ones you're gonna find, so that way you can actually enjoy your travel, you can enjoy living, and you can get everything that you need to out of it. If you need any help at all, contact me at 602-860-3860. Remember, Jayco is the only manufacturer with 2 full years, bumper to hitch, 3-year structural. Everybody else is 1 year. You guys, we really do take the time to make sure everything is set up for you. Come and see me, 4660 East Main Worldwide RV. Take care. This is JC.